Hey guys, what is up? Today we are playing something called Cats. Because I like playing it. Yeah, because I'm in a really dark spot right now. Anyways, let's get started. You should just actually watch my look at my damage and look at my health. I'm coming a pro. Okay, how does that happen? What? People are cheaters. I hate weasels. I have an idea. This is a stupid idea, but okay. Okay, never try that. Never, ever, ever. You can never, ever try that again. Never. Never ever try that again, okay? I promise myself never to try that again. Look at that. What's this? Super box. Super box? Hey, pretty good. 5 hours? Who has that? What's the time to wait for that? Gosh. Diamond? Hello, Diamond. Okay, well that's stupid. Okay. I have 2 other cards. One is really bad. Well, I'm working on them though. It has 99 health. But sometimes I win with it. Watch. Like this. Yeah, I'm gonna lose. How do you do that? That fast? Okay, let's try again. Nope, I'm done. What? What? Oh my gosh. How did he lose against that? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it. I'm on number 4. Here's where I am right now. I've did this one, and number 1. I'm so close to my laser. There's a harpoon. Hey, look what the harpoon is. It's a guy in the dark. Oh no. I lose. What even is that? I picked the worst car. Never ever gonna try that again. I'll change it back with it because I like this and it's my friend. How? I'm pretty quiet right now and I have the hiccups. This is unfair. All you may see is black, so what else can we even hear? Why won't it let me scroll that way? Oh, I see. How much is that? 39. How much is this? 27. So which one do you pick? Hey. May be able to... Creepy. What do you want? I'll bet you this. Yeah, let's just give you a classic. Yeah, I don't want to do any bet. Come on. Oh, no, I'm dead. That's why I always quit. Come on, we can do it. What? This is going to be simple. Just watch. E. E. Just watch this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh my gosh. E. My win streak is 2. Oh my gosh, that's a vampire cat. That's a vampire cat. Oh no. It's red eyes. That means it's a vampire cat. Oh, simple. Nope. Will I? Nope. Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, I'm on a 5-point win streak. Make it to 6 points and then I win. 2. What? Oh, gosh. No! No! I'm so bad at this. That's why I need the upgrade. This is level 4. Should we upgrade to a... Oh, I have an idea. Let's upgrade all of our useless weapons onto this. Ooh, how much health will it do? Ooh. 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 Hey. Now it's a level 6. Wait, how much damage does it do? Oh my. Oh my. Okay, let's start. Come on. Come on. I'm done. I'm done. I hate this. Where's the OK sign? Hey. Hey. Okay. Who should we fight next? Sud PewDiePie? Really? 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 Huh? What? How does that happen? I have an idea. You idea? No, I don't. I do 156, so. Should I? Nah, I shouldn't. Dun, 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 dun. I want little tiny wheels. Watch. Yeah, this is gonna lose. Bro. Oh no. You're the champion, bro. You're gonna get a classic. I want to be in a bet. I'm just gonna give people classics. I don't know why. Come on. You know you want to try and win. Hey. Hey. What? How'd that happen? How'd that happen? How'd that happen? Oh no. No, oh no. Nope. Just quit when you're gonna die. Hmm. How am I not hitting? No, I'm not. This one. How's everybody defeating me? That's impossible. Everybody. Oh. No. Phew. Nope. I'm out. Haha. Take that. Oh, this is the same as that guy. I'm an 8. Oh, wait. Let's go fight Kitty Cat. No. Die! Oh no, this is bad.